In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to set up your Shopify password page to protect your e-commerce website and provide access only to those who have the password. As we delve into this session, I want you to remember, it's all about making your site secure yet accessible to the right visitors. To begin, open your Shopify admin dashboard. Here is where all the magic happens. From the main interface, spot the tab that reads Online Store. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down options, click on Preferences. This navigates us to another page, laden with more strategic settings for your store. Scroll your way down this page until you spot the section titled Password Protection. This is the crucial section where you will set up restrictions to your site. As you may have guessed, this controls which visitors get access to your store and which ones don't. You'll see a box next to the text that reads, Restrict access to visitors with the password. Click on that box to place a check mark there. By doing so, you are activating a setting that will blockade all visitors except those armed with the password. Next, we have the task of creating a formidable password. Look for a field named Password. Type in a password here. However, an important note here is to avoid using the same password as that for your Shopify admin. This provides an additional level of security. Up next, there's an optional yet impactful step you can take. Locate a field that reads, Message to your visitors. If you wish to throw in a personal touch or communicate something important to your visitors, feel free to type your desired message into this field. This can be a welcoming message, or instructions on who to contact to get the password, or any other info you want to share. Once everything is in order, all that's left to do is to press the Save button. It's like that final seal on an envelope. It ensures all the changes are stored and applied. That's it. You've successfully set up your Shopify password page. Quite simple, right? Now your online store has an added layer of security and a personalized message for your visitors. In our next tutorial, we'll explore more ways to customize and secure your Shopify store. Until then, happy selling!